Hi families, Mr. Jackson here. This video is about Reflex Math. This is an app that we use here at school to help our students gain fluency in their addition and subtraction and multiplication facts. Very, very important for math. And so this is just a brief tutorial about this app so you know what it looks like and know what to be looking for as your students are using it. So to get to the Reflex app, they'll be logging in through Clever. Clever is the blue box with a white C that should be down on their shelf or on the side of their screen if they've moved their shelf to one side or the other. They'll log into Clever through that app. That's where their login information is stored. The Reflex icon is this little green shape with the R inside of it. So they'll be looking for that once they get signed into Clever. When Reflex opens, you should see a big version of that logo, the word Reflex, and then a status bar as the program is loading. Once that loads, they'll click on Start. There's a little introductory video here with Mr. Crab, not to be confused with another Mr. Crab on a television network. Not sure how that's working. So, little brief chat by him. We'll wait just a moment. So this is the initial login that you'll see. Students should already have done this by now, but if for some reason you're seeing this, just very quickly, they create their avatar. So that's where this picture that they see comes from. Let's see. They don't have gray hair as an option, so we'll just go with this light brown. Here we go. All right, sure, looks like me. Great. So very good. So there's the avatar. So if you're wondering where they've created this picture of themselves from, that's where it is. All right, so this next activity is just gauging how quickly they can type in numbers. This helps it understand how quickly the students can do so. So as they're working on their fluency, it takes that time of typing in the numbers into account. They can either click on the numbers like I'm doing, or they can type the numbers in on the keyboard. Either one works. All right, so telling us we need to be a little bit faster. Mr. Krabs being a little pushy. There we go. All right, so we'll just continue with this. All right. So as they're working on Reflex, we've asked them to get a green light daily. And if you look up here in the top right corner, you can see where this light has started to fill in green on the outside. The green light is not just a solid ring of green around the light, but it's actually green inside here as well. So that's what the green light means. And that's their goal for the day, of just working on the fluency. They have a pyramid of facts that they'll be able to look at and see how well they're doing, and you can check in on them as well using their account. All right, and to view your student's fluency, you can click on their avatar, and this icon right here, when we click on it, this takes us to the family pyramid. So you can see the number bonds, all those, the status of the facts that have that they've been presented with. Since this is a demo account, I didn't take the fluency test. It's all just all blank here, but you can see for white, unassessed, didn't take the fluency test, and none of these have gone to even the gray or green colors here. I can see this in grid form for just addition or for subtraction. Upper grades are going to see multiplication and division here, so lower grades, addition and subtraction. Hope that helps. Again, we're shooting for that green light daily, so not just the ring around the light, but the actual center of the light turning green as well. So encourage your students to get on, to use this. Fact fluency is so important for math. It helps tremendously in upper grades as you get into larger addition and subtraction and multiplication problems. So really, really, really encourage your students to get on. These games are great. Our kids love them. But just get them on when you have the chance, and we'll greatly appreciate it, and they'll thank you for it in the future. If you have any questions, please let us know. Hope this video helps.